Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we are going to continue the concept that is called mask RCN with the help of instant segmentation here. So in the previous session, I explained the basic concept of image segmentation and the types of segmentation. So here I want to see the mask RCN and also instant segmentation. So before that, we have to get idea about simply what is the meaning of instant segmentation. So instant segmentation is a type of image segmentation only, and it's generally helpful to do the object detection. Not only that one, you can say it's a technique of detecting, segmenting, and classifying every individual object in an image with the help of classable and so on. And mask RCN, it's a one very important one. So what is mask RCN? We can say mask RCN. It stands for mask region based CNN model here. Moreover, it's a deep learning model that tackles computer vision tasks, object detection, and instant segmentation too. And the mask RCN also developed based on the faster RCN concept only, because the faster RCN generally follows the concept of bounding box only. And we can say something about this mask RCN. It's very simple and provide lot of features for develop anything. Moreover, it's a model especially used for instance segmentation also, and helpful to detect the object in an image and so on, and generate the output mask also. Now we can move to the tutorial, that is how we can execute the Google Colab, how we can execute this mask RCN and successfully achieve the instant segmentation with the help of Google Colab here. So for this one, we can choose any custom data set. Here I am using the clone database only, clone data, whatever are in the GitHub. So I want to for this GitHub here. So first of all, we have to make the data set. For this one, we write the code called images dot is, and we can do everything. We will reduce here. Then so here to zip and unzip the file. Then we can go install the needed packages, that is pip install q p drive as well as the recommends.txt and install here. Then we can download and easily extract the specific data set. We can write the code called percentage cd mask RCN, because we are going to use the mask RCN. It's a one developed based on the faster RCN 2 here. So we can write the coding here. After coding, we can edit the setting file, and after setting the file, so with the help of this one, we can view some image. So after this one, we can run that and test the inference on the test data set, where you can write import OS and the required things. With the help of this root directory, we can achieve the instant segmentation where using the mask RCN. So the advantage of mask RCN is simplicity, and additionally add the output mask here. Because if you go past RCN, there will be a class labels and bounding box will be there. And after loading, you can go for the further steps, that is display the image with information. At last, you can predict the instant segmentation, so prediction of where the dog is there with 0.999 accuracy like that. So I hope that understand how we can achieve and utilize the mask RCN for achieve the instant segmentation. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.